Good morning, or whatever time of day it is that you're watching this. I'm just stopping off at the bank really quick. I need to pull some cash from the ATM. I'm doing grocery shopping today. I'm actually doing the Instacart from Smith's or Kroger, wherever you're at, whatever it's called. Same thing, but so it's the first time I'm having it delivered to me. I'm not doing any fresh produce because I've done the pickup and I wasn't a fan of how they picked my produce, so I'll do that separately. But I want to get everything and then I'll explain it all with you later in the video, and then we'll put it away and everything. I have to pick up around the house as well. If I get back to the house in time before I have to clock in, I want to do a quick workout or go for a quick walk if I can. Okay, it's my turn at the ATM. Let's get this show on the road, people. So pissed off at myself right now. I forgot to bring my wallet for the card that I needed. Oh my god. This house is a disaster.
This weekend, but next weekend, so look.
I have to be back and clocked in by 9:30 and I haven't even logged in on my computer. Awesome. Why did I do this to myself? Someone's ahead of me. No. So my Instacart delivery just came, and before I put it away, I want to show you what I got. So, and this is from Smith's. Depending on where you live, it's Smith's or Kroger. It's basically the same thing. So we have them at Angel Soft. They had a good deal. I want to say this was like, I don't know. I'll link the prices up on the screen because I don't remember. But I try and get the coupons and the digital coupons, and then they have like the ones that are for Instacart as well. So that's what I tried to do the best that I could. I'm always on a budget. So I got frozen chicken because it's just great to always have frozen chicken. That way you don't have to worry about it going bad. I always like to have that on hand. I'm gonna keep it in here for now. We needed some sour cream, so I got sour cream. I love it in this pouch too, so you don't have to like deal with stirring it up or anything like that. This is like a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. I need my little one to eat more veggies, so these are the Green Giant veggie tots with broccoli and cheese. I'm hoping he likes these because anything to get the greens in, right? These are so small. I thought I was getting a big bag of edamame, but this is what I got. So that's annoying. Then I wanted to get this protein blend. I love these Steam Fresh bags, or it's by Bird's Eye or whatever, but this has quinoa, or no, it doesn't have quinoa. It has black whole grains, black beans, corn, lentils, and red bell peppers with a zesty sauce. So I want to give this a try and have my son eat it, see if he likes it. Any ways that I can to get his veggies and protein in, because he's a carbaholic. He loves frozen blueberries, so I had to get more of these. I thought I was getting frozen spinach. Apparently I'm getting fresh spinach today. That's fine. I needed some. To go along with more frozen, I got a lot of frozen stuff and a lot of the non-perishable stuff. And then I'm gonna go to the store another day this weekend or tonight to get the fresh produce. I got frozen waffles. My son loves waffles in the morning. It's just easy. Probably not the healthiest, but it's easy. And then we love to have the Texas toast with spaghetti or lasagna. We get the frozen Stouffer's. And then I love the Oikos, like I've mentioned many times. So I got the berry one. They had a coupon going on, so took advantage. We needed some more trash bags. A little bit pricey, but it is the Kroger brand, the Home Sense. Ugh. I got the wrong kind, I think. It's fine. some lunch ideas because my son goes to the babysitter and I'm a full-time working mom. I don't always have time to prep his meals. So he loves the mashed potato one, and we can get him to eat the veggies and the meat in these, so that's why I like to do that, because for one, I mean, it's pretty organic. It's obviously better if I make it myself, but he eats these better, so I'm just, that is best. Next up, we needed more creamer. I love my Coffee Mate. I want to switch to almond milk. They had to replace the honey that I requested, and this is coming off. They got me the bigger honey. It's fine. Why is honey so expensive? Especially, I live in Utah, like we're the beehive state, so I don't get it. Oh my gosh, I got the big boy of the syrup. I love having cottage cheese, so I got cottage cheese. I should have got some canned fruit. 2 jugs of the whole milk, 1 jug of 2%. I got my fresh eggs. They were like falling out when they were in the bag, so I blame that on the baggers, not the lady, but she also wasn't careful bringing it up. It's fine. Maybe I'm just crusty today. I don't know. Got this giant thing of the Tree Top applesauce. Winco is the better deal on this. But I wanted to do the delivery today, and I don't think Winco does in our area. I have to check that. But then I got these fruit grain bars, and I got 2 of them because I love them and my son loves them for the mornings, and it's just a good snack to have in the middle of the day. Gets his whole grains and some fruit in there. And then we love this oatmeal for the morning as well. Like the essentials that I always get that I knew that we needed. We live off of cereal, guys. I'm lazy a lot of nights and I don't want to cook every night, so we have cereal, and you know, when you have a late night craving, you want cereal. And then gotta have Pop-Tarts. It's like we're a house of children living here. We have 1 kid. Peas, I got the honey pecan this time. I'm supposed to have bagels. Here they are. I got the natural Jif. I liked that they had the bigger size at Smith's than over at Winco of the natural stuff. You don't have to stir it like the Adams. I'm sure Adams is better for you, but it only contains peanuts. Oh, why sugar? 4 grams of sugar. 2 are additive. I probably should have went with what I normally get, but it's fine. Didn't order this brand. But I like to do the plum organics and the beech nut because it's just a way that I sneak in his fruits and veggies. He eats fruit really well, but it's the veggies that I just can't. He used to love sweet potatoes, but now he doesn't eat sweet potatoes, so here's what it is. Did one of these open? Because they kind of stink. Here's the receipts. My balance was $158.92. You do have to pay a little bit for the Instacart delivery. This one I got free, and then I paid a tip, so there's that, but I got a nice little coupon. And then I'm liking the Natural Care wipes so far. Also, this was only $5, and it was for, how many are in here? Hello? There's 20 in here, so I just think I'm gonna get these every time because it's like the worst thing to run out of. Barbecue chips for the boyfriend. And I am so having some popcorn today for my snack at working because I've missed my popcorn. It's like one of my guilty pleasures. Then I also got the Loves diapers. He's a size 6 going on 7, but nowhere has 7s. We like Loves. Okay, and now let's put it away. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh. Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
They're like all burnt and weird and chewy.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think.
I think I need to quickly clean the kitchen. Also, let me know what you're having for dinner. I need some easy, simple ideas that is fast and like the least amount of ingredients possible that taste good. Let me know. I know crock pot is super popular. I'm all about the crock pot meals, so link some videos below. If you have videos, let me know. I am always needing ideas for easy dinners because everything is so boring.